Twizzler adds your tricks and treats with Twizzlers. The twist you can't resist.
When you're up for
Couscous. Oh.
You couscous him, Riley.
Couscous.
triple filtered, smooth finish, top shelf taste.
Did you couscous him?
My dad's not here anymore, so I would love to get more of who he is. I will put in first name, last name. Oh, that's him. Oh, my daddy was 2.
Make your own discoveries with the help of Ancestry.com. Start searching for free right now.
Attention women with high cholesterol. If you have
Thanks
taken
for
the
that.
drug Lipitor, you may be owed financial compensation. The FDA warns that developing type 2 diabetes. If you're a woman
Where
and
you going
have
now?
developed
Look
type
at Uncle
2
Brian.
diabetes while taking the drug Lipitor, call the Rely On Group right now. Lipitor is a drug used to reduce cholesterol. However, recent studies have shown that the risk of developing type 2 diabetes increases with statin drugs. If you or a loved one has developed this serious disease, the manufacturer may be to blame. Call the Rely On Group right now to be connected with an experienced attorney for a free
You
consultation.
Bulldozer.
There is no risk on your part, and you don't owe us a penny unless we are successful. There are time deadlines to file a claim, so don't wait. If you or a loved one has been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes while taking Lipitor,
Call the Rely On Group at 1-800-593-1960. That's 1-800-593-1960.
We're all different.
We're gonna go get
If
it.
we all stand up as one, no one stands alone. One by one, we can change the world. It's up to you and me. On Monday, October 7th, let's all wear our blue shirts for World Day of Bullying Prevention.